What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Innovations, and today we're bringing to you guys another garage sale. This garage sale item right here is our 5BZ adapter harness kit. Now, this garage sale set up here is because we had sold this kit to a customer who had a '04 Tundra, and he probably didn't put any more than a couple hundred miles on it and decided he needed a V8. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was set up for overlanding. Is quite heavy, and I don't think the supercharger and everything was giving him the power he was looking for. So he ended up taking all the items off of the Tundra and ended up selling the truck, and then sending all the parts back to us for us to try to resell to give everybody that's watching this a good discount, or at least a good option to buy this at a good discount. So what this is our 5VZ adapter harness kit, set up for automatic transmission or manual drive-by-wire throttle body assist. This actually has a few upgrades. So this is the adapter harness kit, but this does have some upgrades. So what those upgrades are is that it was already set up for the Haltech air temp sensor. Has a fuel pressure sensor on it. That's kind of a neat deal. But remember us having to modify this for the fuel pressure sensor. As with all of our kits, we have a DTM 4-pin connector that comes out that will plug into the wideband here, which plugs into the wideband module there. Now, we did pull this out of the box kind of as you see it. We're going to take a little bit of time, try to clean some of this stuff up and zip tie this up real nice. What we did find is that these 4 wires actually, upon our inspection, were actually melted together, so it got a little too hot right there. So we're going to make sure we get you guys a brand new O2 sensor in it to make sure that the O2 sensor is nice and fresh. A couple hundred miles on it is one thing, but when the wires melted together, we want to make sure everybody's getting everything right. This is also set up for the 650cc injectors. This is set up with the 150 psi fuel pressure sensor. Water meth kit, which we'll do a separate video on the water meth kit, and multifunction can gauge. He had the colder spark plugs on it, so this thing's got a lot of goodies in it already. It's set up, ready to go. What we will do is, and this is set up for the, let's see, what will this fit? This is actually going to fit your '01 to '02 4Runner and the '03 to '04 Tacoma, or '03 to '04 Tundra as well, 5BZ, of course. We'll make sure that when whoever decides to purchase this, fill out your EFI order form, send that in to us so that we can program the ECU. I will personally put in a startup tune in this for you, so this way it matches your setup as closely as possible. Remember, our startup tunes are just that. They're just to start and run. They're not a drive tune. They're not a burnout tune. They're not a go get it under boost tune. It's just designed to get it to start and run. So we'll make sure that the ECU is updated with the latest firmware, but we will also make sure that we get this thing preloaded with the startup tune that's set up for your application. So check this out. We'll try to get this on the website. If we don't get it on the website soon, send us an email, tunedbygabe@gmail. Give us a call, 928-854-1320. This is a kit that you're interested in. You have some questions, please reach out to us and let us know. We'll make a smoking deal on this thing. It's been sitting in our shop for a long time, waiting for somebody to call in who has an application as close to this. Just hasn't worked out. So now we're going to do a video, send it out there to the masses, and let's see if we can get somebody a smoking deal on these things. These kits here, just a basic Elite 750 adapter harness kit with the wideband preloaded with the startup tune, that retails for $2,900. This is going to have a fuel pressure sending unit in it, or a fuel pressure sending sensor in it. It's going to have the it's going to be set up for the air temp sensor, the Haltech 1/8 inch NPT air temp sensor, which we try to recommend putting those in below the supercharger. That's the key point for that. It's going to have the wideband on it and a brand new sensor. So don't forget to catch the smoking deal. We'll put a price tag, something like that, and that price tag will be what it is. For this one here, if we put this on a website and we send an invoice out, we're gonna have to eat the transaction fee. So we're looking for like Zelle transfer, stuff like that. that helps minimize the amount of transactions. We're just a middleman. We're just trying to get this sold for the customer, put some money back in his pocket. So we're not trying to take too much of a loss on that. So we'll have to keep that in mind. Until then, don't forget, we got a member section. So stuff like this you get to see before it's public. So as John puts this up on YouTube, if you guys are a member, whether you are the pit crew, the mechanic, or the tuner member, these videos you get to see before everybody else. So chances are, if you're a member and you've got a vehicle like this and you see something on the garage sale that comes up, as soon as John puts it on YouTube, even before it's premiered, you guys get to see this stuff. So it's almost like you guys get the dibs up front first on it. So you guys get all the premiere, all of the VIP status on stuff like that. So don't forget to cash out, check out that member section. Don't forget to do all the Stalker stuff, like, follow, subscribe, ring the bell if you like the notifications. If you don't like the notifications, don't ring that bell, but please do a lot of Stalker stuff. Like, follow, subscribe, drop some comments. You want to see some more stuff like this, please let us know. We're going to try to do more of these garage sale type products. I got tons of stuff laying around the shop and it's just kind of making things cluttered. So at some point, we're going to start putting more videos like this. So until then, stay cool, stay good, and stay tuned. Thanks, guys.